everybody, welcome back. I'm so glad to have you here with me today. So I've been sharing with you some of my favorite products. You've seen the over-the-door shoe organizer that we use so many ways. Then we talked about all the turntables that you can use in any room. So guess what? Today I'm going to share with you another favorite product of mine that we call the MultiPurpose Bin. Great name because it is multi-purpose for a multitude of rooms. They're very inexpensive and they come in 4 sizes. So I want to share with you a lot of different ways that you can utilize these in your home. So like I said, we've got 4 sizes. We've got the small, the medium, the large, and the extra large, and that's just talking about the width. They're all the same height. Another reason I love these multi-purpose bins is because there's no lid. And a lot of time lids become very cumbersome and they break and crack. And so obviously these aren't stackable, but because you've got all the different widths to choose from, they can live side by side on a shelf. They can live side by side in a cabinet. So let's start down here with the small. Today I'm sharing with you things that you can put in there like pastas, rice, those seasoning packets, really anything that's kind of the width here that you see. It keeps your pantry shelves neat, tidy, organized, and you know how many you have of an item, so it's super easy and quick to make your grocery list, which I love. This medium multi-purpose bin here, today we're just showcasing craft paper, cardstock, which I love a multi-purpose bin for paper because otherwise when you stack it on each other, you're kind of digging through and it gets things wrinkled or messed up or torn. This makes it so easy. So whether it's a craft room or a children's desk or their playroom, you can put a multitude of crafts in this bin. Paint supplies, hot glue guns, pom-poms, all of that good creative stuff we need to create a beautiful masterpiece. So this is great for that. In our large, today we're showcasing pet products for your lovable furry friends. We've got fun things like costumes. We also have, of course, pet wipes, things that you want to be able to access really quickly. When you are going out for a walk with Fido or Fifi, you know to come to your bin, your multi-purpose bin, and grab whatever item you're needing at the moment. So very handy dandy. Of course, we've got bandanas, also something cute that they can put on so that when you're out walking at night, this lights up and then it's easy to see them. So safety first, of course, with your pets, or lovable pets. The extra large multi-purpose bin is super useful. Obviously, you can see how wide this is. It's housing paper towels. Very great to use for toilet paper, water bottles, light bulbs. This is the one that we've used with clients for sure, under sinks, in laundry rooms, and in garages, which we haven't talked a lot about garages yet, and we will over the course of more videos. But this is super handy for keeping paint supplies in the garage, from the painter's tape to some spray paint to paint brushes and things like that. So whether you need a small, a medium, a large, or an extra large, you know what you're trying to house and contain in a really inexpensive way. And sometimes it's just best if you've got like items together and you grab the whole container and you carry it to where you're working or cooking or cleaning or creating. And also these are great for cleaning products. I mean, keeping everything in one bin together under a bathroom sink, so easy to find exactly what you're needing. So I hope those tips and the multi-purpose bin tricks that I shared with you today are very helpful. And be sure to check out my YouTube channel in the description box, and I'll tell you exactly where to find multi-purpose bins and items like it in a variety of sizes. Thanks so much.